Simple, happy home. Our homes are an extension of who we are, and we all want our home to smell fresh and clean, but sometimes it requires dedication, and sometimes you need a quick fix, which is why I am partnering with Aera for Home again to share their Aera Simplicity collection. This is the Aera Starter Kit 2.0. Inside, you'll get a quick setup guide to help you get started and a support phone number in case you'll need it. You will also get sample scents to choose from that are created from master perfumers, and they all contain natural oils and pure fragrance ingredients. And a box of accessories are also inside. You will also get your choice of fragrant capsule as well, and the device with easy-to-read instructions are all inside. Here are the new Simplicity collection from Aera: sandalwood, citrus, lavender for when you need that relaxing moment, and white tea. First, charge up your device. Just plug up the adapter that comes with it, and the power button is on the back. I'm using the citrus fragrance capsule. It smells amazing. It's light and bright and very uplifting, and at the top of the capsule there's a pull tab where the fragrant releases the smell, and on the bottom of the capsule there's another pull tab that will sit inside the unit. On the capsule you will see when it's getting low, and each fragrance capsule can fill a room with a consistent scent for 60 days or 1,440 hours on an average setting. The Simplicity's collection's goal is to help people create an ideal home space by simplifying their home scenting. Control your scenting anytime from anywhere with the Aera for Home app for iPhone and Android. You have fully adjustable settings from 1 to 10 to ensure that the scent is perfectly tailored to your home. It's 100% pure fragrance, no heat, no propellant, and it's child and pet friendly. From now until May 25th, Aera for Home is running the hashtag Aera Simplicity Challenge to help you achieve a more simplified life. Details on how to enter the giveaway will be at Aera for Home's profile to learn how to participate and enter their huge giveaway of some pretty incredible Simplicity products and services valued at $1,000. I will have all of the links down below in my description box. Continuing with keeping a simple, happy home, moving forward with my laundry favorites. Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. This stuff is so good, you guys. It's perfect for getting rid of those moldy smells in your towels. It's as simple as adding 2 capfuls into your softener compartment. It will get rid of germs and bacteria, and it really leaves your towel smelling really clean and fresh. And Snuggle Fabric Softener. You guys have to try this spring burst, but make sure you use a Snuggle Boost Pack to intensify the smell. And I'm also loving the OxiClean Odor Blaster on my whites. With the warm weather coming, I'm getting prepared for house guests, and this OxiClean helps keep my white sheets looking white. After cleaning my bed sheets, towels, and pillowcases, I place them inside these sweater storage bags that are from the Dollar Tree. They're not the best, but they do a great job of keeping my linens fresh. I place the clean laundered linens inside the guest room's closet drawer, and when guests announce that they are coming, I am guest ready. Another fave of mine is this Clorox urine remover. The smell of urine completely dissipates. So if you live with men, boys, or a small toddler who's potty training, you will appreciate this. It's also perfect if you have pets, and it's safe to use on mattresses and bed linens. After spraying, I always use my steamer on our toilets to ensure our bathrooms are clean. Now, you do not have to use a chemical. That's just my preference and my way of doing it. Steaming is efficient and it works just as well. It's non-toxic, it's pet friendly, it's natural, and cheaper than using chemicals. This is just my way of doing it. And to help keep your toilets clean and fresh, add this automatic toilet bowl cleaner to the bowl. This is Lysol Click Gel, and you can get a month's supply for under $3 from Walmart. Just peel the protective seal off the disposable applicator and press the applicator inside the bowl, leaving the gel on the bowl. You guys know I'm always in the kitchen cooking, and I've noticed that my cutting board needed a little attention, and a few key ingredients is all you need to get it back into shape: sea salt, lemon, a bristle brush, and cutting board oil. I sprinkle the sea salt and the lemon and a little on my cutting board, and I'm just working in the lemon and the sea salt into the board. The lemon is great for getting those surface stains out, and your board will smell amazing. Now I'm just using a little bit of this Castile soap, which is great for everything, even your skin. And I'm giving the board a good wash down and rinse. After rinsing, I dry the board with paper towels, and then I let the board air dry outside for a few hours. Using your cutting board every day can strip them of oil, leaving them dry and cracked. Oil conditions the wood. It goes deep down into the fibers where it matters, bringing your cutting board back to life. You can get this oil from Grove Collaborative, and I'll have a link down below. I don't consider cleaning my trash can part of spring cleaning. I clean mine as often as I can, and as you can see, mine is pretty gross. And often it's the first place I look when I smell something funny in our kitchen. I like to do a deep clean of the can by taking it outside and giving it a good wash down. So I hope you all have taken away something from my tips, and don't forget to enter the Aera for Home giveaway. I'm pretty sure you guys will love this giveaway, and I want to thank you all for watching.